Okay, let's dive in. What revolutionary product hit 1 million users in just 5 days?
1 million. It's a staggering number that completely rewrote the rules for tech adoption. In this explainer, we're tracking the ChatGPT revolution from its explosive launch straight through to 2026. Pre-2022 AI was super technical and pricey. Post-2022, just chat. Literally zero coding required. Look at this timeline. We went from a viral launch in 2022 to essential daily workflows by 2026. The real magic here is augmentation. It's not replacing you, it's helping you do way more, way faster. Why did it blow up? It's simple, accessible, and the value is instant. You ask, it answers. The impact is everywhere. In education, it swapped out rote learning for personalized, interactive tutoring overnight. For marketing, total game changer. Content production sped up dramatically, saving teams countless hours of drafting. Software development shifted instantly too. Devs rely on it constantly now for efficient coding and quick debugging. Customer service got a huge upgrade. Companies use it for way faster support and instant knowledge assistance. But yeah, massive growth brings challenges. We definitely have to navigate privacy, copyright, and workforce shifts carefully. So, what's the takeaway? For students, don't compete with AI. Learn how to work with it. Your real advantage is being human. Focus on critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and basic AI literacy. For professionals, treat AI as your ultimate productivity multiplier to create a ton of individual value. Master prompt engineering, automate tasks, analyze data, and build AI right into your daily workflows. And for businesses, the tech itself isn't the advantage. The advantage is how your people actually use it. The playbook is simple. Experiment early, train your employees, automate repetitive stuff, and combine human expertise with AI. The biggest impact overall? Making advanced tech practical and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Remember, it's not human versus AI. It's human plus AI. So how are you going to use it today?